Connecting Gemini to your Google Drive turns your AI into a personal research assistant that already knows your files. You can find documents, summarize long reports, or compare data between files just by asking. Here is exactly how to set it up. First, go to gemini.google.com, click on Settings and Help in the bottom left, then select Connected Apps. Look for the Google Workspace extension and toggle the switch to On. Follow the prompt to connect your account. This single toggle gives Gemini access to your Drive, Gmail, and Docs all at once. Once that switch is blue, you're ready to start querying your files. To use it, just start a new chat and type the @ symbol. Select Google Drive from the list so Gemini knows where to look. I'll ask it to find our Spotify 2026 marketing strategy and give me a formal executive summary. Gemini reads the file and pulls the data instantly, complete with a source link so you can jump to the document yourself. You can even do complex tasks like comparing two different files. I'll have it compare our Q4 financial report with Q1 projections and put the growth data into a professional table. It's a massive time saver for deep research. A few quick reminders. This feature only works if your Gemini Apps Activity is turned on. If you turn activity off, your extensions will stop working. That's how you connect Gemini to Google Drive. No more manual searching, just ask and get your answers. If this helped you speed up your workflow, hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.